So it is. What I was noticing yesterday is that the exhaust is not supposed to be in this place, but somehow it is, and that's not good, of course.
No, it's not.
It's not. So someone has to go under it. Hop in, babe, we're going.
Woohoo!
Well, you know, friends from the Netherlands used to have a house left into the mountains. Got an old RV called Penelope. She's a 1983. Well, you know, friends from the Netherlands, bad Penelope. Pat loves taking pictures and Pat does every design. Penelope loves driving till the end of time. Delicious. If you like a vibe, please subscribe. Please subscribe. We're bringing our little stool. You see? Yeah. You go
Steady. Oh, yes, but it's very clear what happened here. Just by the looks of it, the where it is attached has come loose. Here's one point. There's the other point, and it should be attached to there. You see? This is the hook, and this is the attachment with a hole in it.
The other one is still attached.
And the other one seems to be quite fine, you see?
This one still is okay.
Yeah, this one just has to be...
This one is okay too? First one?
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is perfect. Yeah, it's still attached. So it's just a question of getting this one
Up there.
there.
Well, good luck with, good luck with that part, Ma.
Why, thank you.
Hello, buddies.
Hello.
Up close and personal with our delicious.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, we had a bumpy ride to Lille yesterday.
Yes.
I had to pick up the cart.
Very bumpy. We were Dukes of Hazzard in it.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. I told you guys I was driving like a maniac
Yes, you was.
to get my cart.
Yeah. Anything for the vlog,
Yeah.
right? Up to the point that Penny gets hurt. But yeah, it's seems simple enough. We just need some yeah. Whoa! Oops!
Oops, biddies.
With the parts.
So,
Oh.
not so simple.
Oops.
After all, it seems this broke too. Then.
Oh. Well. Good
See,
going.
it says no. It has fractures on it. See.
Well. Well. Okay. We spoke too soon.
Let's put this on, biddies. Okay, this is supposed to be on top of there, huh?
Mm.
Somehow. See this?
Ow.
This part of the exhaust broke off from this, so we're gonna need a new exhaust.
Oh no.
Biddies.
I see.
I'll just drive with a short exhaust. Can you help?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See, it was just loose.
Loose.
See, buddies? It's broken off. You see? The tubes should connect. So it's now, yeah. It's good that it didn't, because I didn't use any force. It's good that it didn't break off during the drive. But
Yes.
it's not really drivable probably now. So it's a bummer, buddies. Plan B.